welcome to the kitchen. I'm Juliet.
And I'm Delilah.
And today we're going to make storm on a stick.
What do you call a sheep with no legs?
I don't know.
A cloud.
Oh, good one, Delilah. Right, should we get started? Okay, so to make our storm on a stick, we're going to do some meringues, which are going to be clouds. So we're going to use some egg whites and some white caster sugar, and we're going to whisk up and make some meringues. And we've made meringues before, haven't we, Delilah?
Yeah.
So it's not too difficult. We'll start off just beating them slowly, and then we'll turn up the speed. Would you like to go with this?
Yeah.
There we go. So that's ready now to start adding in our sugar. We're going to add our sugar in about a large tablespoon at a time, and then we're going to whisk it in. So you can be ready to add a little bit more as I need it, okay? Right. A bit more just in there. That's it. Lovely. That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So look at that, it's lovely and stiff. So to make them a bit stormy, we're going to add a little bit of black food colouring so they look all nice and grey and stormy. Oh, that looks great, doesn't it? Look at that. Yeah. So that wasn't difficult at all, was it? No. So we've got our lovely stormy meringue, nice and fluffy, isn't it? Yeah. And now we're going to put it into a bag, and then we can pipe out our clouds. Brilliant. So that's all done. So in our piping bag, Delilah, we have got a large round nozzle so we can pipe our clouds. If you don't have a large round nozzle, you can just snip a hole in the end. Yeah. But we're quite lucky because I've got all of the nozzles, haven't I? And we have got our baking tray with some parchment on there, and we've just made a little template and we've drawn a cloud on the back, haven't we? Yeah. So you can do any cloud shape you want. So to stop the paper from wiggling all around the place, just get a little bit of meringue on your baking tray like that, so that when we pipe on it, it'll be keeping nice and still. So that is a top tip there. So you remember that one, won't you? Yeah. So you just need to go inside the template and try and keep them as kind of neat as you can, because when we put them together as storm clouds, we're going to sandwich them, so we want them to kind of like stick together. So I'm just piping now. Watch, when you pipe with meringues, we want to keep nice and close to the baking sheet, so don't do it from above. So just, you can go very near to it, and then I can just squeeze and go bump like that. So I'm just going round the edge, like that, along the bottom, and then you can just fill it in, and then just stop squeezing and go whip. So that's really good, Delilah. Yeah. We have got a bit more meringue left in our bag, so we can do another couple of batches. Yeah. But we're going to pop those in the oven on a low temperature for at least an hour or so, and we're going to make sure they're nice and dried out. So we'll pop those in and we'll come back when they're all baked. So they're all baked. They look pretty good, don't they? Yeah. We've got our pairs of meringues, and we're going to sandwich them together to make storms on a stick. So what do you think we should put inside to make a storm?
Rain.
Yeah, so we're going to make sprinkly rain. So you can use any sprinkles you like. We've got some really nice kind of colourful ones here. So let's open up each one, and we're going to use this to stick the clouds together and hold the rainy sprinkles in. So I'll show you one, and then you can do the rest. So we just need to go, again, we've got our piping bag like that, just kind of squeeze it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of a stick there because we're going to add a stick. Yeah. So now what we can do is get our sprinkles and just kind of place them just inside the icing. Get a stick, and we're going to pop that on there. And then we're going to take the other cloud and just close it up like that. So you've got all the sprinkles inside. But we'll have to leave them to dry, won't we? So should we get those all stuck together? There we go. Oh, look, oh, Delilah, look, I didn't have my clip. I've got the clip, Delilah.
You silly Billy.
Oh, I know, I am silly, aren't I? I should have let you be in charge. Fantastic, they look good, don't they? Yeah. So we just need to wait for these to set. So they'll probably take 2 or 3 hours till they can set, and then we'll be ready to give them away. We can eat them, we can shake them. So we'll come back when they're all set, okay? Yeah. Should we clear away? Yeah. Yeah. So we're back. Our meringue storm on the sticks have set, and I think they look really good, don't you, Delilah? Yeah. They're really good. They'd be really fun for a party or anything, really, wouldn't they? You know you can get this shiny spray. You could even have a try and make them look a bit shiny.
Yeah.
Should we give it a go?
Yeah.
Oh, look, they look quite glittery, don't they? It's the other side. Well done, Delilah. I really enjoyed making those. Did you?
Yeah.
Cheers. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, wow. It's raining sprinkles. Oh, oh, they're really good, aren't they? Yum. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos, check out the BBC Good Food YouTube channel. Bye.